we had a Bigfoot fire out here.
hmm
That means that the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and whatever your current time frame you're on, in our case, it's 15 minutes, are all aligned and in the same direction. And usually when that happens, you get a pretty nice pop out of the price.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's August 19, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. Trump reported a positive meeting with Zelensky and EU leaders on coordinated Ukraine security guarantees, followed by a Putin call on raising Russia-Ukraine talks. Crude fell, while S&P affirmed the US at AA+ stable, citing tariff revenues offsetting fiscal costs. European stocks climbed after a cautious open. US futures, FX and bonds trade tentatively with Caliad watching CPI. Key data ahead: US housing, Canadian CPI, Atlanta Fed GDP now, Fed's Bowman and Home Depot earnings. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
So let's start with our currency pairs. This is our scalps for today. Had a signal on the US dollar fire earlier, but that one failed, so I'm not going to talk about that. This one right here is actually a signal from another indicator, which indicates that came from Swing Trader. But as you can see, this actually worked right before as a scalp. This worked as a scalp earlier in the morning. Let's see, what time was that? That was like 3 in the morning. It fired off as a scalp and then it hit the 50% profit target thing here. So that was what's going on with that. US Chief, I've gotten a few signals on this. You can't really see it very well, but a squeeze is starting to form right here.
Mm.
That's what's going on with this one. So we'll have to wait for that one to play out. Pound US dollar also fired in the middle of the night. That was about 1, 2 in the morning. Fired off and then hit the 50% stop loss target nicely. That worked pretty good. For swing trader, let's start with the right one. Aussie US dollar. Right now we are in a semi-bearish mode. We have the 4 hour and the 1 hour time frames in a bear trend, and current time frame is neutral, so we're in the 15, and the daily is neutral. We had some signals fire off back here. Also, it seems like everything happened in the middle of the night last night, right?
Always does.
Yeah, but the trend is down on Aussie US dollar right now. Moving on to US CAD, this is the one that I jumped on. We had a Bigfoot fire out
hmm
here. That means
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
that the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and whatever your current time frame you're on, in our case, it's 15 minutes, are all aligned and in the same direction. And usually when that happens, you get a pretty nice pop out of the price. So I am trying to capitalize on that, and we'll see what happens. All right. US Chief, right now, just the trend is to the downside, but we have three time frames in alignment or about to be in alignment here. Got the current time frame, 1 hour and 4 hour. So looking bearish on US Chief. And then pound US dollar. Everybody but the 1 hour is singing the same song. Interesting conflict, huh?
1 hour.
And price is going down. So I don't even know what to say about that one. That one's confusing me, but everything's in an uptrend except for the 1 hour. So I would just stay away from it because if it's confusing, stay away from it. How's that for a rule?
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've been looking for patterns in the indicators. Just the plain old trend ones are the ones that seem to be the most consistent on getting a pop when something happens. The Bigfoots are very brief. You got to get them as soon as they hit. You can usually make a pretty good pop out of those. This one here, where I believe this is the 1 hour and 4 hour lining up, where
Yep.
you get the orange and the yellow triangles. That, yeah, that makes sense. 4 hour and 1 hour. Those seem to work pretty well too. But nothing works 100%. I wish I could figure that out, but I can't. It's beyond me. Maybe some AI someday will figure that out.